In an increasingly unpredictable world, preparing for emergencies has become more critical than ever. Whether it's natural disasters, economic instability, or unforeseen global events, having a well-stocked pantry filled with survival food items is essential to ensure your family's safety and sustenance during challenging times. With the looming deadline of May 1st, 2025, now is the time to take action. Below, we'll explore 11 survival food items you must secure before this date, along with detailed explanations of why they are crucial, how they can be stored, and tips to maximize their shelf life. Rice is one of the most versatile and calorie-dense staples available. A single cup of cooked rice provides approximately 200 calories, making it an excellent source of energy during emergencies. Additionally, it pairs well with almost any protein or vegetable, allowing you to create balanced meals even in austere conditions. Store rice in airtight containers like Mylar bags or food-grade buckets to protect it from moisture and pests. Add oxygen absorbers to extend its shelf life up to 25 to 30 years. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Bonus tip: consider stocking both white and brown rice. While white rice lasts longer, brown rice offers more nutrients but has a shorter shelf life. Dried beans are affordable, nutrient-rich, and packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. They complement grains like rice to form complete proteins, ensuring your body gets all the amino acids it needs. Like rice, dried beans should be stored in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers. Properly sealed beans can last 20 to 30 years without losing nutritional value. Rotate stock regularly by cooking older batches first. Pro tip: pre-cook and freeze portions of beans if you anticipate needing quick meals during an emergency. Canned goods, ready-to-eat convenience. Why it's essential. Canned goods such as vegetables, fruits, soups, meats, and stews provide immediate access to nutritious food without requiring cooking. This makes them invaluable when power outages render refrigerators or stoves useless. Top picks: canned tuna or chicken for protein, canned vegetables like green beans, corn, and carrots, fruits like peaches, pears, and applesauce for vitamins and morale boosts. Check expiration dates regularly and prioritize cans nearing their best-by date. Store cans off the floor on shelves to prevent rusting. Avoid dented or bulging cans, which may indicate spoilage. Important note: stockpile a manual can opener alongside your canned goods. Pasta is another high-carb staple that provides energy and comfort during stressful situations. Combined with shelf-stable sauces, it becomes a filling and satisfying meal. Dry pasta can last indefinitely if kept in airtight packaging. Tomato-based sauces should be stored unopened until needed. Once opened, consume quickly or reseal tightly. Make large batches of homemade sauce, freeze them in portion-sized containers, and thaw as needed. Honey and pure maple syrup are natural sweeteners that not only enhance the flavor of bland foods, but also serve medicinal purposes. Honey has antibacterial properties and can soothe sore throats, while maple syrup contains antioxidants. Both honey and maple syrup have indefinite shelf lives when stored properly. Keep them in glass jars to avoid plastic leaching over time. Fun fact: archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that were still edible after thousands of years. Freeze-dried and dehydrated foods are lightweight, easy to store, and retain nearly all their original nutrients. These include fruits, vegetables, meats, and complete meals designed specifically for long-term storage. Top brands Mountain House, Wise Company, and Augustin Farms offer reliable options. Storage tips: store in vacuum-sealed bags or number 10 cans. Use desiccants and oxygen absorbers to prevent spoilage. Label each item with purchase and expiration dates. Advantage: many freeze-dried meals require only hot water to prepare, saving fuel and effort during emergencies. Peanut butter is rich in healthy fats, protein, and calories, providing sustained energy. It's also kid-friendly and versatile. Spread it on bread, crackers, or fruit for a quick snack. Opt for no-stir varieties to prevent oil separation. Store in a cool, dark location. Unopened jars can last 2 to 3 years. An alternative option is almond butter or sunflower seed butter for those with peanut allergies. Powdered milk ensures you have access to dairy products for cooking, baking, or drinking. It's especially useful when fresh milk isn't available due to power outages or supply chain disruptions. Store in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers. Keep in a cool, dry area to maintain freshness for 5 to 10 years. Non-dairy options like shelf-stable almond or coconut milk can cater to dietary restrictions. Instant coffee, tea, and hot chocolate can be mental health boosters. During stressful times, small comforts like coffee, tea, or hot chocolate can significantly improve mental well-being. Instant versions are convenient and don't require brewing equipment. Store in vacuum-sealed bags or airtight tins. Keep away from heat and humidity to preserve flavor. A warm beverage can lift spirits and provide a sense of normalcy. Cooking oils like olive oil, coconut oil, or vegetable oil are necessary for frying, sautéing, and adding flavor to dishes. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, serves multiple purposes from preserving food to cleaning. Store oils in dark glass bottles to protect them from light degradation. Unopened vinegar can last indefinitely. Apple cider vinegar can boost immunity, act as a disinfectant, and even aid digestion. Seeds and sprouting kits. They are an essential, sustainable food source. Why, you might ask? Well, they allow you to grow fresh produce indoors even if you have limited space. Sprouts like alfalfa, broccoli, and radish are incredibly nutrient-dense, and here's the best part: ready to eat within days. When it comes to storing seeds, you should keep them in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Don't forget to test germination rates periodically to ensure they remain viable. Growing your own food reduces dependency on external supplies and provides fresh greens year-round. The urgency surrounding securing these survival food items stems from several factors. Supply chain vulnerabilities. Recent global events have highlighted the fragility of food distribution networks. Shortages could occur suddenly, leaving unprepared households scrambling. Price increases. As demand rises, so do prices. Purchasing now ensures you lock in lower costs. Peace of mind. Knowing you're prepared brings immense psychological relief, allowing you to focus on other aspects of life. By prioritizing these 11 survival food items, you'll build a robust emergency pantry capable of sustaining your household through uncertain times. Don't wait until it's too late. Start gathering these essentials today to safeguard your future. What steps will you take to prepare before May 1st, 2025? Share your thoughts below.